Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Here I am going to show you how to join the Cricut Community Create Challenge. I am using my mobile app. You could use the mobile app on your iPhone or iPad to create the designs on the go, or you could also do it on your computer. So I am going to select image, and I am going to put in the image that Cricut provided for free for this challenge. I am going to select and insert it into my canvas. So here I am going to select the image and I am going to ungroup it because I only want to make a simple project to show you guys how to enter. And by ungrouping it, I can delete the ones that I am not using. You could use any part of this image and use your imagination to come up with different projects to show off what you can do. Here I am making a simple card. I am going to insert a rectangle, and then I am going to edit, unlock the lock, and change the height to 5 inches and the width to 10 inches. When you fold it, you get the half, the 5 inch. Then I am going to create another box, and this box is the one that I want to put on the top. I changed it to color white so you could see it. Here I'm also using it to measure my score line. So you could insert, and this line is a score line. I'm going to change the size on this. I am going to hit edit, and I'm going to lock it and change it to like 5.1, so it's slightly a little bit bigger than the box, so that it is it gives it a little bit better of a cut. But you can see how Cricut helps you align it with the pink line. Typically I would also change the white box to a little bit smaller than the card so it pops out more and have a border, but I forgot to do this while I was making this video, so it still comes out pretty nice. We all make mistakes, and you do it the way you want it. And I moved the image, the heart, to the front. I moved it to where I want it to be, and here I'm going to insert some text, and I am going to choose a font after I insert the text. It's also hard to type on the phone because it's kind of small, but hey, you make use of your resources while you're on the go, right? So I'm making this while I am on the go and not at my computer. So here I am making a simple card. My heart beats for you. I like that quote. Again, fat finger. So I accidentally hit the wrong text, hit the text box again, but not to worry. You could delete that and go in and edit your text from the previous layer. So here I am going to edit the text. You can select the font on the screen, and I am going to filter it to a writing font because I want to use a pen. And here I'm going to choose a font that will work for me. I just scroll through to see what looks best in the preview, and I selected one that I thought would be cute for this card. So here I chose this one. I thought it was cute, simple. So here I'm going to resize it and put it in the card. Once you use the app more, you can maneuver and move things quicker. So here I'm going to unlock it so I could shape it to however I want it to, and then I'm going to move it into the card. Yes, okay, so here I moved it to the card, the position of where I want it to be. And it's a little low, so I'm trying to move it up a little, and I realized the heart is kind of into my letters, so not to worry. I'm just gonna adjust the size of the heart by dragging, and then I move it. So here we are. It looks perfect to me. Again, you can make that white box a little smaller so you can have a border. For my project that I save, I updated to that for anyone who wants to use it. But for my card that I made, I did not change it. So here I am in the layer section. I'm hiding the different layers so I could group the items together. Since I need the score line on the big rectangle so it could fold, I hit the other layers so I could select these two and I could attach it together so it would score and then cut out this rectangle. After I'm done that, I went back into the layers and I hid those, and here I am hiding the heart so that I could get the text and the square white box selected so I could attach that so I could write and then cut the box. So after I'm done that, I can go hit make it. I will not attach the heart because I do want them to be different colors, but I went back in and I unhid them. So here, this is how the card looks like. And now I'm gonna hit make it. I'm gonna do this on a mat, so I chose a mat. If you go to this screen right here, and if it doesn't show up with a machine on your Bluetooth, make sure you got your machine selected correctly. If you don't, it will not show up. So I have multiple machines, so I had to select the maker. I love using the scoring pen, so here I am choosing the scoring pen instead of the wheel. I saved the project. This is crucial. You need to save the project. You need to edit the project details. Remember to select your photo and insert it with your project. Don't forget to add the tag for Community Create Challenge. So you could click on add tag and also put in a description of what it is. And then change it to visible in design space. And here I'm clicking the add tag. I could have done that first, but I typed out the text first. And then here I hit save and I hit share. And now it's in the community for everybody to share. Now, once you're done making the project, remember to click on those three dots or that arrow and go into Facebook and share it in participating groups. You can find out which groups are participating in the Cricut blog. Don't forget to hashtag the Community Create Challenge in the group post. You can enter more than one time, but each entry needs to be unique and in different groups. Good luck, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you like my channel. Thank you. Bye.